H is for horse. Horses are very fast runners. H is for hyena. Hyenas are meat-eating animals that scavenge and hunt prey. H is for hippopotamus. Hippos love the water. H is for hedgehog. A hedgehog is a small mammal with a spiny coat. H is for helmet. A helmet protects your head. H is for helicopter. A helicopter is a flying machine. It is kept in the air by a sideways propeller on top. H is for hive. A hive is a home for bees. H is for hut. A hut is a small, simple shelter. H is for happy. People usually smile when they're happy. I is for Impala. The impala is a high-jumping antelope. I is for iguana. Iguanas are plant-eating lizards. I is for ice. Ice is frozen water. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold, creamy, and sweet treat. I is for ink. Ink is a colored liquid used in pens. I is for iron. Irons press the wrinkles out of clothes. I is for island. An island is a piece of land that is surrounded by water. I is for igloo. An igloo is a house made out of blocks of ice. I is for inside. The bird is inside the cage. Thanks. J is for jaguar. The jaguar is a large, spotted wild cat from South and Central America. J is for jaybird. Jays are beautiful, noisy birds. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish are animals that have stinging tentacles. J is for jungle. A jungle is a wild tropical growth of trees, plants, and animals. J is for jump. When you jump, you go up and down. J is for Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and the fifth planet from the Sun. J is for jug. A jug holds a liquid, like water. J is for jelly beans. Jelly beans are colorful and sweet. J is for jacket. A jacket is a short coat. K is for kangaroo. The kangaroo is a pouched mammal that hops and uses its muscular tail as a third leg. K is for kingfisher. The kingfisher digs burrows into the ground. K is for koala. Koala spends up to 80% of the time sleeping or resting. K is for Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon only found on 5 Indonesian islands. K is for kettle. A kettle is a pot in which you boil water. K is for killer whale. Killer whales are also known as orcas. These whales eat hundreds of pounds of fish and marine mammals every day. K is for kite. You can fly a kite on windy days. K is for kiwi. The kiwi is a tiny fruit that grows in warm areas. K is for keyboard. You can type on a computer keyboard. L is for lion. A group of lions is called a pride. L is for leopard. Leopards are widely distributed, spotted wildcats. L is for lemur. Lemurs are large-eyed mammals from Madagascar. L is for llama. Llamas are domesticated animals that are related to camels. L is for lamp. A lamp gives out light. L is for laptop. A laptop is a small, portable computer. L is for lemon. A lemon is a sour, yellow fruit. L is for lobster. A lobster lives on the ocean floor and has 5 pairs of legs. Lobsters have blue blood. L is for lizard. Lizards are a type of reptile. M is for meerkat. Meerkats are a type of mongoose that can stand upright. M is for monkey. Monkeys are furry mammals with long, strong tails. M is for moon. The Earth has one moon. The moon has no atmosphere. M is for mosquito. A mosquito is a small, flying insect. M is for mouse. Mice are cute, small rodents with long tails. M is for motorcycle. A motorcycle has 2 wheels and can go fast. M is for money. Money is used to buy things. M is for mirror. You can see your reflection in a mirror. M is for milk. Milk comes from cows and other mammals. M is for mask. A mask covers your face. N is for nest. Birds make nests to hold their babies. N is for newspaper. People read newspapers to find out about new things that have happened. N is for night. At night, when the sun goes down, you can see stars in the sky. N is for nose. We use the nose to breathe. It also gives us a sense of smell. N is for notebook. A notebook is a book with blank pages to write in. N is for Numbat. The numbat is a pouchless marsupial from Australia. It eats termites. N is for numbers. Numbers tell you how many or how much. N is for nurse. A nurse takes care of you when you're sick or hurt. N is for needle. A needle is used for sewing. N is for Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun. This frozen planet has 8 moons. O is for owl. Owls are birds of prey that have large eyes and very good eyesight. O is for ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird and is from Africa. It can't fly, but it runs very fast. O is for otter. An otter is a playful aquatic mammal. O is for orca. Orcas are also known as killer whales. An orca eats hundreds of pounds of fish and marine mammals every day. O is for orange. Oranges are sweet, juicy fruit. O is for onion. Onions are sharp-tasting vegetables. O is for omnivore. An omnivore is an animal that eats plants and meat. People are omnivores. O is for octopus. The octopus is an ocean animal, a cephalopod, that has 8 arms and lives on the seafloor. O is for ocean. An ocean is a large body of salt water that surrounds a continent. O is for oval. An oval is an egg-shaped figure. P is for pigeon. There are a lot of pigeons in cities. P is for pangolin. The pangolin is an insect-eating mammal that has protective scales on its body. P is for parrot. The parrot is a beautiful bird that can imitate sounds very well. P is for penguin. Penguins are birds that cannot fly but swim very well. P is for pizza. Pizza is made of dough that is covered with tomato sauce and cheese. It is baked in an oven. P is for peacock. The peacock is a beautiful bird from India. The male has a large train of feathers. P is for porcupine. Porcupines are mammals with protective, needle-like quills on their body. P is for potato. Potatoes are starchy vegetables that grow underground. P is for pumpkin. The pumpkin is a large, orange vegetable that grows on a vine. P is for pyramid. The pyramids in Egypt are huge buildings built by ancient Egyptians. Thanks for watching.